Using Asana for project management involves several key steps to organize tasks, collaborate with team members, and track progress effectively. Create a project. Start by creating a project within Asana. Projects serve as the primary containers for tasks related to a specific goal or initiative. Add tasks. Break down the project into actionable tasks. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and provide clear instructions or details. Organize with sections and columns. Use sections or columns within the project to categorize tasks based on stages or categories. This visual organization helps in structuring your workflow. Set due dates and dependencies. Assign due dates to tasks and establish dependencies where one task relies on the completion of another. This ensures a logical sequence of work. Assign and collaborate. Assign tasks to team members based on their responsibilities. Use task comments to discuss details, ask questions, or provide updates. Utilize Asana's views. Explore different views in Asana, such as list view, board view, or calendar view to visualize tasks and timelines in a way that suits your project's needs. Use tags and labels. Implement tags or labels to categorize tasks further. This can be helpful for sorting or filtering tasks based on specific criteria. Monitor progress. Regularly review the project's progress. Utilize Asana's progress tracking features and update task statuses as work is completed. Integrate with other tools. Connect Asana with other tools your team uses for seamless collaboration. Asana integrates with various apps, streamlining your project management process. Encourage communication. Foster communication within Asana by using the inbox, following tasks, and regularly checking for updates. Clear communication helps keep everyone on the same page.